Question number 171. The term humidity indicates A. Degree of coldness in the air, B. Amount of water vapors in the air, C. The amount of fog in the air, D. Amount of pollutants in the air. And the correct answer is B. Amount of water vapors in the air. Question number 172. What does mean by meander? A grassy area, B. A barren area, C. A bend of river, D. A bend of canal. And the correct answer is C. A bend of river. Question number 173. Name the wetland in which trees or shrubs are the dominant form of vegetation. A. Pampas, B. Swamp, C. Marshland, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Marshland. Question number 174. What is tropical climate? A. Considerable rain, B. 3 distinct seasons, C. Both of these, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both of these. Question 175. Area dominated by trees and shrubs is commonly known as A. Woodland, B. Forest, C. Greenland, D. Shrubland. And the correct answer is A. Woodland. Question number 176. What is a cyclone? A. Air well, B. A large system of winds, C. Heavy air, D. A giant circular storm system. And the correct answer is B. A large system of winds. Question number 177. A period of dry weather caused by lack of rain is termed as A. Desertification, B. Famine, C. Dryness, D. Drought. And the correct answer is D. Drought. Question number 178. The Gulf of Myanmar is located in A. Pacific Ocean, B. Atlantic Ocean, C. Caribbean Ocean, C. D. Indian Ocean. And the correct answer is D. Indian Ocean. Question number 179. Strait of Florida connects A. Atlantic Ocean with Caribbean Sea, B. Gulf of Mexico with Caribbean Sea, C. Gulf of Mexico with Atlantic Ocean, D. Caribbean Sea with Pacific Ocean. And the correct answer is C. Gulf of Mexico with Atlantic Ocean. Question number 180. The Straits of Florida is located between A. Japan and Korea, B. Cuba and Bahamas, C. Italy and Sicily, D. Canada and Greenland. And the correct answer is B. Cuba and Bahamas. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok, Facebook and WhatsApp. I will upload the more MCQs for your preparation. Stay connected. Thank you.